In this video, we'll show you how to properly build an Atlantic Eco Blox. Eco Blox reservoirs store large volumes of water easily and economically, underground and out of sight. Their enormous strength allows for landscaping right over the reservoir. Their modular design accommodates any space to any depth. Eco Blox can be used in pond-free, fountain, and rain harvesting applications. Stand the long side of one of the large panels on edge. Next, find the short side of one of the small panels. Slide it into the channel in the large panel. Push down. You can push the panel down until it is centered, but it's not necessary. For now, just make sure the panel is firmly engaged in the channel and won't slide out. Repeat the process with the next 3 small panels, making sure to engage each one firmly into the corresponding channel on the long panel. Set the assembly with the small panels upright, adjusting them if necessary. Then, take a large panel and align the slots in the channels with the tabs of the small panels. Push this side panel down into place until it clicks. It's okay if it's uneven, we'll align it later. Take your next side panel and once again carefully align the slots in the channels with the tabs of the small panels. Push the panel firmly down into place until you hear a click. There should be no space between the panels. Align the bottom panel next. Rotate the block towards you and, using your weight or a rubber mallet, push down to align the bottom panel until it clicks. Take the last panel and carefully align the channels with the last of the tabs to close the Eco Blox. Make sure all tabs engage. Push down firmly until you hear a click to complete the assembly. Adjust as needed. There is a right side up. The top panel of the Eco Blox should always span all 4 edges. Installed on its side, there is nothing to support the perimeter of the side panels and they may fail. Eco Blox must always be oriented correctly. At 16 inches by 27 inches by 17.5 inches and 96% void space, each Eco Blox provides storage for 31.5 gallons of water. Incredibly strong, Eco Blox are HS20 compliant, supporting over 7 tons of distributed load. You can depend on Atlantic Water Garden's Eco Blox.